it has come to my attention that someone has been rudely interrupting with a loud voice. This is true!
Who could be doing this?
I do not know for sure, but please pay attention! I think it is most likely Braden, Jaden, Caden, or Aiden. Luckily, I have been given a description of who has been doing this. A description is when you have words that you write or speak, and these words tell you about or describe something, or something that happened, or someone.
Oh.
For example, here is my description of Salamander. Salamander is a cute blue amphibian with a long tail and 17 spots that dances way too much. I will now read this description of the loud and rude interrupter. The loud, rude interrupter is in the shape of a triangle that is green and full of bubbles. It has large, angry eyes, a red mustache, and carries a stick to point at things with. Please be on the lookout for this loud, green triangle thing. And also, remember to please
Stop interrupting with your loud voices!
stop that. Stop looking at me. Stop copying me. So rude. Stop that.